How to increase transfer limit on Brigit application. You cannot manually request a transfer or cash advance limit increase on the Brigit application, as customer support cannot override the system. Instead, what you can do is Brigit's automated algorithm calculates and updates your limit ranging from $25 to $500 automatically. And in order to trigger an automatic limit increase, there are some things that you can consider, like to improve your standing with algorithm. To improve your standing with the algorithm and trigger a higher limit, focus on your linked banking behaviors like keeping a healthy balance, maintaining steady income, and eliminating bank fees. Repaying on time also helps the app to trigger an automatic limit increase. And if you meet all these requirements, you'll be able to increase your transfer limit ranging from $25 to $500. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.